Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out here getting a couple more loads of corn stalks. There's supposed to be a nasty blizzard coming in late this afternoon tonight, so we're gonna try and get a couple more loads out of here. I'm in the John Deere 5085E. This is not my tractor. This is my dad's utility tractor, and we're right next to his shed, so I decided to grab this instead of hauling anything of mine over here. A lot faster. And we'll load these up and go from there. So I should do a review on these this 5085. They're actually for the money pretty decent loader tractors. They just got a straight synchro, so they're not, you can't just push a button and shift gears, but I kind of like that. Because as you guys see, I have a loader on my New Holland, and that tractor is just a little bit too big for a loader. It's clunky, hard to maneuver, and it's always in the wrong gear, because whenever you use the left-hand reverser, it goes back down to 10th, and you want it in 11th or 12th, so you're always pressing a button. This one with the synchro, I mean, the gearing is actually pretty good, to be honest, for the right speeds. I'm usually in C1 or C2. And just use your left-hand reverser, and you can get a lot done really quick. So other than that, pretty damn reliable. This tractor's got I don't know, just over 2,000 hours, 2,200, and he bought it brand new. And actually, when I started farming, when I bought my first tractor, my 1086, I used this one quite a bit. My dad let me use it. So yeah, not much else. I think there's, I don't know, 60, 80 bales out here yet. So I don't have my magnet mount, so I'm gonna have to set you guys down to do some loading. But yeah, follow along, see what happens. They're talking, well, some models are saying upwards of 20 inches of snow. I don't think we're gonna get that, but I think it's pretty good chance we'll at least get 6 inches, I'm assuming. So I'm guessing, I don't know, 8 to a foot. So anyways, we will just go from there. I'll go grab these other 2 bales down over here. We're kind of starting from the far end, working our way to the road. Just for the fact is, we will get snowed out of this field. It's just a matter of if we get snowed out before the bales are gone, or what happens. So, this is actually leftover lime pile. Yeah, that's a story for another day. Not all limes are created equal. So, free material ain't always good material. Just keep that in mind. I'll have to do some videos on that. As you can see, it's pretty white out. Got my wife in the truck, and we're gonna throw these bales on the trailer and see what else happens. We gotta bring our new puppy. We got a new puppy we gotta bring to the vet for shots. So I think we're gonna do 1 load before that, and then bring the puppy in, and then grab a load on the way home. Well, there's the first load. We are gonna be out of here. So I'm actually curling up the ground a little bit. In low spots, I don't even think there's much frost at all. But we are just gonna keep chugging away. I see she's putting a strap on the back. She ain't quite a fan of the Bluetooth straps yet. So better be safe than sorry. It's actually pretty decent out today. Temperature's probably only 30, 31. So, think there's 4 or 5 loads left, I believe. Like I said, we gotta get this one back to the farm, and then get the dog to the vet for puppy shots. So we're in the machine shed behind the shop. I'm gonna back this tractor and auger out of here, and we're gonna try and unhook the grain cart in this corner. It should fit. I hope it fits. And then, since this slider got ripped off in a storm, I'm gonna put some corn stalk bales in front of this doorway for the winter, because this is all the hay equipment and corn equipment. We don't need that till spring anyways, so we'll see what happens. It's gonna be tight, but I do think it'll fit. So we'll just back this out nice and slow. I have yet to decide where I'm going to put this auger, because as you know, we got corn in the bins, and after the first, I'm going to start looking at marketing some of that. So I can't put this thing where it's going to get buried in the snow for the winter, or the mud in the spring. So I do not know when I'm going to haul it out. But it will more than likely be before the end of March. So, and March can be bad, and March can be beautiful in the good old state of Minnesota. So I got this old girl fumigate in the shed, the hay shed. Gonna back her out and like I said, try and fit this grain cart in machine shed. It's probably only 50-50 that'll fit, but we're gonna try. At least this is a big doorway to aim for. Probably another thing I should do a review video on, but this Brent 678 met all my expectations this harvest. Brent makes a very, very nice grain cart. So they are a little spendy, but definitely worth the money. So when I was looking for one, I was really looking for a one with a tarp, but we only ended up using it not even a handful of times. Typically we had close to 700 bushel in this cart at all times, and it handled it just perfect. So I was worried about tractor size, but I think I could have went up at least to a 700, maybe an 800 bushel cart. But hey, we all got to start somewhere. So that's the little doorway I got to try and back it in, and we'll go from there. Like I said, 50-50 it'll fit like a glove. Got to stack these machine sheds full for the winter. So this should work out really, really, really good. Got to get her unhooked. And we are unhooked. The cart is off the tractor for the year. Got that load unloaded. And just getting ready for the snow. As you can see in the beginning of this whole video. But we bedded down last night, and I'm just getting corn stalk bales out by the pens, and we'll bed right after the snow. So it actually looks like it's gonna be quite a few days. I mean, today is Tuesday, and I think it's supposed to end on Friday. So calves are doing really good, eating like pigs, growing like weeds. So the rest of these calves will probably go, oh, I don't know, April, May, maybe, depending. We got plenty of feed, so typically around here the calves really pick up around grass time. There's a lot of hobbyists and guys that will buy feeders and put them out on grass and for the summer. So typically the feeder market's pretty strong for smaller groups at that time, and we try and capitalize on that. So I do miss not having the barn full of calves and feeding a bunch of silage and stuff, but penciled out better this way. So sell the bigger calves, and we did really well selling this fall, but there's always next year. Next year this barn is hopefully going to be full. In fact, I still got to unhook that auger and put that tractor away. But so I was telling you earlier in this video, this door got ripped off in a windstorm. So I just put some corn stalks right in the doorway to block it off the best I can. This works pretty good. I don't know. It is what it is. We use corn stalks in the spring, so it ain't a complete waste, and seal up the shed the best we can. So I'm gonna put the skid loader away for now. Like I said earlier, we got to run to the vet, and we'll grab another load of stalks on our way home just because we're going by. Well, it's starting. Unfortunately, it's starting with some rain. Got the skid loader in the shop. It's just gonna sit in here for the night. I did about a half hour ago ordered tires and rims for it. So I ordered rims too. We are gonna go up a tire size on that. So them are the original tires, and it's got 1,070 hours. So almost 1,100 hours on the set, which you can't complain about. But you can complain about the price of new. Holy cow. So this is what it looks like from the inside. These corn stalk bales instead of the door. And you probably can't see because the light ain't very good, but cart fit perfectly in here. So the machine shed is sealed up for the winter. I mean, it don't take much to move the bales if we have to get in and out, but so I got to I'll bring you guys down. We'll check the cows real quick and keep on keeping on. On the way down to the cows, I'm going to talk about the calving camera system we have. I just seen an hour or two ago my buddy Ryan, he's a local guy, asked for an update on them. So I'll give it here. They are awesome. We don't just use them for calving. We're using them year round. Works out really good because I'm feeding right in front of them. So in the morning before chores, I know I just look on the cameras quick, and I know if I got to feed hay or not. So if they're low on hay, I come out with the skid loader right away. If not, walk out here or side by side. Or so they are really, really worth the money. Absolutely no complaints with them. Do everything they're advertised to do. So last night we knew the snow was coming and this rain, so we bedded down lightly, just because if you bed down heavy it's all going to get snowed on anyways, but and cleaned out the lot on the concrete. So water is good. Only had that water freeze up twice on me. So there's the pile. I really wish I could do some spread, but I don't have any ground open right now to haul some out on. Cows are doing good. Got the dry hay, and this is the baleage ring. So as you can see, we all know which one they like better. Cows are in really nice shape. So everybody's looking really good. But yeah, back to that camera system. Got one up in that corner, aiming right at these bale rings. Got two in each corner, one in each corner of the shed, and then one in the middle. Absolutely no complaints. Night vision works perfect. As I stated before, this is a 36 by 96 shed with a 40 by 96 concrete lot, and with 4 cameras you can see the whole works. So yeah, getting ready to hunker down, that's all. So I'm gonna not close out this video yet. We'll see what happens. I got a couple days before I gotta edit and get this out for you guys. So we'll see how the big blizzard that talking about on the news, what comes about. I could easily see we only get 2 inches of snow and a bunch of rain, but we have been known to get hit pretty good. So got some corn stalks out here. Got some corn stalks behind this shed too. So we're sitting pretty good on feed and bedding. Actually, excuse me, we got a ton of hay. So, ton of cattle hay, ton of baleage, wet hay. And that is the reason why we didn't chop any corn silage this year. So hay prices are kind of low. So figured we'll capture the high grain price and feed out some cattle hay. So, and we definitely, as I stated earlier, would have chopped if the feeder prices were more reasonable. Sounds like the water is running. I might have an issue. Either that or they just got done drinking. These guys got 2 rings also. One everybody's around in front of me is the alfalfa baleage, and then their dry alfalfa. These guys are looking really nice. I don't think we're, and then I threw a canary bale right out there. Pick out and they'll lay on a lot of it. Working really good. Walk up and shut the other shed door. Truck, tractors are in. Trailer, and go inside and enjoy the evening. So it's the next morning. We ended up getting a bunch of rain, but we got about 4 inches of snow, and it's heart attack snow. It's actually, they're snapping branches and knocking trees over. So it's sticking pretty good, and there's a lot of ice on it. And it's kind of in a break right now. But they're talking, I think, like 3 to 9 or 6 to 9 or something like that more tonight and tomorrow. So the snow ain't as bad as they said it was gonna be, but the ice and the slush is causing a lot of issues as far as snapping trees. But it's a beautiful sight out. We did chores this morning, didn't have to feed anyone. We are gonna jump on the side-by-side. I don't know, maybe run to town, look around, goof around, and maybe pull the sleds out again and go for a rip on them. So just kind of updating you guys on the storm, and we'll see how bad it gets. Ladies are nice and comfortable. Got plenty of dry hay, but I see they're out of baleage. So we'll probably make them clean that up tonight and either feed baleage and dry tonight or tomorrow morning. Snow sure is beautiful. So I just ended up cleaning off all the concrete with the skid loader and plowed the main driveway here just for deliveries. Well guys, it's the next morning. We got about another 5 inches, so we're right around that foot total. It's melting as it goes, so we don't quite probably, oh, I bet we got a foot on the ground. But I'm gonna start the skid loader off. We're supposed to get snow for another all day today and tomorrow and tonight and tomorrow morning. But when it's melting like this, turning to slush, I want to try and get it out, to get the snow off the concrete, so it doesn't just ice pack. And this is the puppy that we got. Camera shy. So she's a mini Aussie, so full of spunk. But yeah, I'm gonna get the skid loader out, plow off the concrete so it don't turn to ice and make a mess. I might plow the driveway just to the road from here, and we'll be plowing most of the day tomorrow to get the yard all pushed out. Well guys, this is probably gonna be the end of this video. I got the main driveway in front of the shop to the road all cleared out, this lot, and I didn't show it in last video, but we got this door on. Makes it really nice, but now you guys are gonna have to put up with more dirty windows. So I'd like to thank you all. We blew past 700 subscribers. Just thank you guys so much. You're just blowing us away. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Stick around a while. We're just getting this channel started, and appreciate each and every one of you. And we'll get going on the video for next week. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow along for more. We will talk at you later.